This video is on special request from my USA living friend. If you live in USA, you probably hear that 2025 is the best year for a solar. In this video, I will break down why solar demand is rising in USA day by day and what incentive you will get if you're gonna be install a solar system in 2025. My name is Hamza Ali and I'm from Smart Tech Solar Solution. First is electricity bill keep increasing. Across in all US, electricity price have been rising continuously, especially in a state like California, New York, Texas. High electricity bill are pushing all the homeowners to go for these solar installations. Not only for saving of money, but also to protect themselves from unpredictable raise in electricity price in daily basis. The second point is 30% federal solar tax credit. The biggest reason why everyone in US is planning to go for a solar in 2025, the importance of for solar is 30% federal residential clean energy credit. That means if you're gonna be install a solar system before 35 December 2025 and it will start working and give you a services properly, you will get a 30% of federal government tax credit. That means, for example, if your solar system will cost $20,000, it means you can claim $6,000 as a credit tax. The system must be installed and serviced by December 31st, 2025 to qualify for this 30% of federal solar tax credit. The third point, battery storage is becoming more valuable. Because of outage in a state like California, Texas, solar plus battery storage systems are become more extremely popular and used. Systems like a Tesla Powerwall, in-phase IQ batteries are more efficient and the battery prices are getting lower day by day. The fourth point is that solar increase home value. How the solar increase the home value? 2025, the small study showed that home that have the solar system is sell 6.9% more than average home. The fifth point I'm gonna be add here, net metering rules. In all over the world, net metering rules are revised nowadays. I'm now talking about the USA. In USA, net metering program are changing across major states of the US. In California, they moved to NEM 3.0. That means they reduce the export rate, and the other hand they have the Nevada update credit structure as well. So it's mean if you're gonna be install the solar, install it now. So you have some credit time period like a few years. Whatever the export rate value you will get it on this credit agreement time, you will get it the same. So better if you are planning to go for a solar, move it today or tomorrow or in 2025. You need to be decided this today and find a good supplier and installer near to you, near to your state, because time is running. Thank you for watching. If you want more video about USA solar, cost, incentive, best state and system design, please like and subscribe the channel and comment your state, and I might make a video of your region and I will explain in my video what suitable system for your home. Please stay tuned with us and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.